Hello everybody, welcome to Kerala GSB Konkani dishes, and today we will see how to prepare ladies finger salad or Bendiya sassam. Coming to ingredients, I have taken 4 to 5 ladies fingers, oil for frying the ladies finger, 1 glass of curd, salt to taste, water as required. If your curd is very thick, you can add water and just give it a turn on your mixer grinder for a second. Then for seasoning you need mustard, cumin seeds, dry red chilies, 1 green red chili and a few curry leaves. So first what you have to do is you have to cut the okra into small round pieces as shown in the photo. Then you have to add salt and keep it for some time so that it will absorb salt. Then deep fry in oil. This is how it will look like after frying in oil. This is the stage at which you have to remove it from the oil. Then you have to take a curd in a bowl. Add water if your curd is very thick. Add salt also. For seasoning you need mustard, cumin seeds, curry leaves, dry red chili and green chili. Season them. Pour it into the curd. Pour the fried okra also. Your Bendiya sassam or Bendiya salad. Serve it with rice. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.